welcome back. What is going on? Today I am bringing you this look. So I wanted to do another tutorial with the blood sugar palette because the first one, I will link it up above. I probably say this already throughout the video, but my first tutorial with the blood sugar palette, I got really good feedback on it and I'm really grateful. So I'm going to be doing it every month. I'm going to do a tutorial with the blood sugar palette at the end of every month. So it's the last day of February. Hopefully I'm uploading this tonight, so and get it out to you guys on time. But this is the look that I came up with. I used nothing but the blood sugar palette on my eyes, and then an Urban Decay liner, some Colourpop mascara, a Note blush, Colourpop lipstick, and a NYX highlighter. I will mention all of this in my description down below. I'll leave names for everything. And so if you want to join me and create this look and you have the blood sugar palette, then keep on watching. Alright beauty, so I already primed my eye with some Tarte shape tape, so just gonna make sure it's not creased or anything like that. Make sure it's good to go. And I already applied one of my e.l.f. tapes. So today we're gonna do like a neutral kind of look with the blood sugar palette. This is the beauty we're working with today again. End of the month, every month you guys. So first thing I'm gonna go in is with Cake Mix right here. And I'm going to be focusing on these colors and a little bit of this one. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and I'm going to go into Cake Mix. And then just get this all over real quick. This has some, like it's a really pretty mauve-y color, you guys. Like, I really like Cake Mix. But I just want to put this over as well, my whole eyelid, and just blend it in there. You guys, my teeth feel so weird because I just got a cleaning and they took out like all the buildup and all the plaque that I had behind my front teeth on the bottom, you guys. And it is just, it feels so weird, but it feels so good. I'm so happy that they removed all that junk. Alright. I'm going to go in with Ouch, which is the one right next to it. And I'm going to lay that one down as well. If you hear some crazy like noise or anything, you guys, it's my fan. I have it on high and it tends to like make this like noise, like if it's gonna fall off, but it really isn't. Sometimes it makes the noise, sometimes it doesn't. I'm just like, whatever. So I'm just gonna blend that color Ouch as well in. And I'm not gonna use the whole lid, like I'm gonna leave this empty right here. There goes my brush. I'm also using, this is another Real Techniques brush that I really love. It blends out the shadow very well all over. But yeah, you guys, this is basically, I'm just going to leave it right there. I'm not going to go any higher. On my first tutorial, like I went pretty high on it and I used my whole lid, but I wanted to do something different and use some different colors this time around. So we got this, we got this. All right, you guys, so the next color I'm going to go, which is like my focal point of most of the eye look, is called Intravenous. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's going to be that really dark brown in the corner. And I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It doesn't even have a number on it, but it's like one of those pencil brushes because you're going to see what I'm going to do. So we're going to go in with that color. I'm going to tap it off. And then I want to focus this color in my crease right here, because then I'm going to smoke it out. But I want like the out of it, like the outer part of it, to look really, really dark. So I'm just going to go in And yes, I'm only doing one eye. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that. You know, I be all over the place. I'm going to do one eye on camera, and then when I'm done with this eye, I'll do the rest of my face off camera and then just come back. So I want to get as much of this dark color in there. I have a bad slouching problem, you guys, that I'm trying to be aware of and like fix, because it is not good for your back. You guys, my eyelids are getting old. Like, I kid you not. I need to get some Tarte up in my life. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this in just into the inner corner, because you guys, we're going to attempt a cut crease on camera, which I've never done before. I have been practicing. It's not great, but we're getting there. But the good thing about it is that with my hooded eye, if I mess up a cut crease, you can't see it and it still looks good. So that's what we're going to roll with today. I'm going to go back with my Real Techniques brush. This is the, I forgot to mention, the 203. I don't even know if they sell this brush anymore, you guys. But then I'm going to blend it, and then more blending, and we're going to blend the outer part and make sure it doesn't look so harsh. You already know the deal. And blend and blend and bend and snap. I went to the gym this morning, you guys, and I struggled, but guess what? I made it through. I did it. And by the way, I lost another 4 pounds. Thank you very much. This shirt that I'm wearing, I've worn it before, but it was a bit tight on me, and now I have space, you guys. Like, it just feels great and fabulous. So yeah, you guys, you already know the deal. Blend it out so the edges are not harsh. Smoke it out, baby. Smoke it out. Get it to where you want to get it to. So that's how it looks right now. Make sure it's all good. And then I'm going to go in with Coma, which is that dark purple on the bottom. Like, this color, you guys, is so gorgeous. It has so much pigment. I live for this color. So I'm going to go in with the same pencil brush. I have another one, but I don't know where I put it at. So we're just going to do what we need to do. Go in with that Coma. Dust it off. And then we're going to darken this even more. And then I'm going to go back in. You know, always going back in. In and out. In and out. Blend and blend. Blend and blend. Guys, I'm getting so good with Instagram. So I post once in the morning. Once in the evening. You know, I was just like, I was not good with Instagram. But please follow me at Instagram. So I'm getting a lot better, and I'm always on Snapchat. Okay, so once I'm done with all of that stuff, we're good. Take some of my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take this Morphe brush that doesn't have a number on it. No, wait, hold on, not that one. The Alamar brush, yes. So I'm going to go in with the Alamar flat brush. And I'm going to take some of this concealer. And then we're going to cut this witch up. Don't judge. I just got some on my nose. I'm really not good with this, but we're going to do this. I'm going to go about right there. And then bring it up. This part in the corner always gives me trouble. And I can never get this damn line straight. Yes, you guys, it can be frustrating. Just keep practicing. It's what I do. But I'm not going to worry about it too much because, like I said, my hooded eye is going to cover it. So I'm going to let that settle in for a second. And then I'm going to take the other flat brush by Morphe that I have, and I'm going to go in with Donor, which is that beautiful. Now, is it gold or is it bronze? You be the judge of that, but I'm going in with this gorgeous shimmery color right here. Sorry, you guys, I can't talk. This cleaning on my teeth is just like so weird. Weird. Now on my eye, you guys, is gonna freaking transfer. We already know this, so I'm trying to make this look cohesive. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna blend it out. Try to get as much of this color, you guys. This shimmer is just gorgeous. A little bit more right here on the edge. And then I'm going to go back in with some more of that word that I cannot pronounce, intravenous, or I'm going to go back in with that color. Just very little, because then I'm going to go back in with Coma. Blend everything together. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with Coma. Dude, I love Coma. This color is just like insanity. And then blend everything together. Because I'm going to show you how it's just going to disappear under my eye. You see that? Completely covered and hooded. So having hooded eyes has its perks, and sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta work it, sister. Now you just want to blend it again. It's all about blending, you guys. I've learned that. You guys, so I pretty much got it to where I wanted. There you have it. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape off. There we go. And then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe, that pencil brush, and I'm going to go back in. You know, I'm just going to use what I have left on this brush, so it's just not too much. And I'm going to smoke out the bottom eyelash. It's always best to work with what you have left on it, so it's too much, because you can always add product, but you can never take away product if you apply too much too soon, you guys. And I don't want to do the bottom like too dark. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more, like literally I'm just dabbing my brush in there. Now, I will tell you guys, I did try this look with a wing, and it looks really good, I must say. I do have to add that the Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner that I got, I'm really loving this product because it's helping me with my wing, and I'm getting better at it. But if you want to add a wing to this, you can. When I really looked at this look, I was just like, it looks great both ways. It is entirely up to you how you want to finish this off if you choose to do this look. Yeah, it looks absolutely gorgeous both ways. So, but for now, I'm just going to leave it without the wing. And I'm going to finish the bottom, and then I'm going to go in with an Urban Decay liner on my waterline. I'm going to go in with the 24-hour Glide On pencil. I really like these. They're great liners, you guys. A little on the pricey side, but so worth it. And I'm going to go in with the color Starfire. This is the color right here. So I'm just going to put that on my waterline. And I'm going to drag it in. Oh. So yeah, you guys, this is the look. Again, you could use a wing if you want. You could leave it like this, but I'm going to go off camera like I mentioned before. I'm going to finish the rest of my face, my other eye, put mascara on, my contacts and everything, and I will be right back. All right, beauties, this is the finished look. So I'm going to tell you what I finished up with. As you can see, I did my other eye. I did some Colourpop mascara, popped my contact lenses in. I used the Desert Rose blush. It's very peachy, very, this has a lot of pigment to it, you guys. Like, I literally just dabbed my brush into it and so much came off. I had to go in with a really, really light hand, but this is what it looks like. It's by Note Cosmetics. And then I went in with the NYX Machinist Highlighting Duo, and this is what it looks like. So that's it's the gold highlighter that I used. It's very subtle, but you can still see it. Very pretty, and I wanted something to match the gold bronze or whatever that's on my eyelid. And for some reason, you guys, I don't know why, but this cut crease came out so much better than this one. Always happens, can never be perfect. There's always something that you can see a difference in. But overall, I really, really love how this look came out, you guys. And for last, I'm wearing Colourpop lipstick, and it's What's Your Sign. I believe this is from the Zodiac collaboration with Kathleen Lights. So I wanted a new lipstick to bring it down because the eyes are still very bold and like smoky and dark. So that's what I went with, you guys. So yeah, you guys, there's another one with the Blood Sugar, and I will be bringing you another one at the end of next month. So leave me comments down below what colors you want me to use or what you would like to see next with this palette on my channel. Let me know if you have this palette and what are some of your favorite colors to use. And also give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. I'll put all my links down below. All my names and all my social medias and all that kind of jazz. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.